Okay, everybody, we're going to go over 4 of my favorite warm-up movements that you can do before any exercise. So we're going to start with our feet together, and we're going to take a big step back, and we're going to look down at the knee and make sure it's right on top of the foot. Then you're going to open that top arm. So practice this with me. A big step back, a rotation to the forward leg side, and then a tall stand back up. Now you can start to go lower. You can sink your hips towards the floor to increase that stretch. This stretch is literally called the greatest stretch in the world. It's got that name for a reason. You open the hand wide, you open the fingertips wide. And then I like to put some emphasis on good breathing. Breathing slowly in and out of the nose as we go. Standing all the way up, you're standing through the heel in front to stand back up. All right, and last one. Okay, second up, we're doing some balance. So I want you to get tall up top as you bring that knee in, and then raise the opposite arm. So lift your chest, pull your knee in towards your chest, and raise your opposite arm straight up. So as that chest is lifted and the tummy is tight, these are 2 really great ways to make sure that your posture is great and that your balance is there. The more you can bring that knee up, the bigger of a hamstring stretch you're creating. And same thing with that top arm. As that top arm goes back further, you'll notice I'll lift it just a little bit behind me, and that's going to turn on my back shoulder as well as stretch my chest out in front. Last but not least, we're doing the breathing in and out of the nose. Okay, now third up, we take our feet real wide. We're going to sit back and down to one side and then stand back up. So as I sit back, my upper body comes forward. This is key. Sit back with the hips. Feel the heel as you go down. And you've got that option here of raising up the opposite hand as well. But sit back, feel the heel. Then you can raise that hand up. And once again, find that breathing. In and out of the nose slowly as we go. If you feel confident in what you're doing, you're adding depth. All right, one more here. All right, now last but not least, we've got more balance, so we want to keep our abs tight. We're going to put our hands on our hips, and we're going to send one leg straight back. This is a single leg deadlift. Now, I'm alternating the legs each time. When I keep the hands on the hips, or when I lift them like this and pull back, both of these bring awareness to your back. This is key. We want to maintain a flat back. I do not want you rounding your back as you go through here. We've added the arm reach as that next option to increase your challenge. We're doing some of that slow breathing in and out of the nose. As you do this, you're trying to push back with your heel so you get activation in that leg. And of course, as those arms reach forward, you're going to feel a lot more of your core working. Do these 4 warm-up movements and enjoy.
Hey, I'm Sean. I'm the founder of Ad Health, and I need your help in growing. I'm a small business, and things like likes, comments, ads, subscribes, those all really do help in reaching a broader audience with what we're trying to do, which is help people feel better. You can check out more information on our website as well. We have a free complimentary 10-minute stretch break that I guarantee is going to make you feel better. And there's more information about what we do for companies, teams, and even individuals with stretch breaks and other offerings. Thanks for your support. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you soon. Cheers.